Hello, my name is Jasbir and today I'm going to discuss about ERP and my group leaders are Devdeep and Harsh Sharma. Moving to the next slide, introduction. ERP is an integration execution of business process procedures. It plays a significant role in the digital business transformation and it has the ability to convey the revolutionary variation in the several procedures of modern business. According to the report of the Phenomena Consulting Solution, almost 81% of business organizations have either completed in the integration of ERP system or remain in the procedure of implementation ERP system. Moving to the next slide, enterprise system. And ERP is an integration execution of foremost business procedures, and it is commonly known as ERP system. It is the integrated execution of the foremost business procedure and frequently the in authentic time and invented by the technology and the software. ERP system has the foremost influence on the digital transformation of the several procedures of modern businesses. According to the uh, report of Phenomena Consulting Solution, almost this. And moving to the next slide, type of enterprise system. There are three main types of enterprise system: customer customer relationship management, supply chain management, and enterprise resources planning. The framework of customer relationship management are established to deal with the requirement of creating the profitability of deal office and to expand the deal to supply merchandise. The supply chain is an assortment of several asset learning and the people that are probable to move and either and deliver stock from a merchant to the client. The enterprise enterprise sources planning such as asset asset learning, sorry, such as stock or human resources. Moving to the next slide, the next slide is about contribution of ERP. Harsh,
Yes.
contribution of ERP in business. ERP is a business management software. It's ERP is frequently known as the kind of business management software that is commonly used as a collection of integrated applications. The business corporation use ERP system management software to the interpret, manage, store, and collect the data from several activities of system of business. ERP offer a continuously updated and integrated view of main business procedure by using frequent databases that are sustained by a system of database basis management. Moving to the next slide. ERP makes the flow of information either between the all function of business and management acquaintances with the external stakeholders of the business. ERP can change the culture of an organization. For example, if an ERP is implemented in an organization for the enlargement in its productivity and existing procedure that are implementing in in an organization will change. The role of ERP will discuss my team leader Navdeep.
Hello everyone, my name is Navdeep Singh. In this slide, we have discussed how we transform our business on digital platform with the help of ERP. So I have decided to discuss 3 points: the effect of cloud-based ERP. As we know, today is a globalized world, and we have many different brands that has been spread all over the countries, all over the world. So it will be not easy to connected at the same time with uh, all countries all countries teammates or team branches. So cloud based ERP is the best solutions for that. In this we have access or discuss all information about on a single platform. We can discuss or check solutions or any problems with our teammates or branch members all over the different country on a single digital transform. And the next is competitive edge. Business corporation implement ERP system for the development of customized solutions and improvement in functionality through the incorporation of robust features. So with this, we have discussed different problem and solution at the same time, and enhanced our capabilities for better performance and customer satisfaction. The next is improved integration. ERP software can several tasks in our organization, like they can we say uh, pay the payroll salaries, discuss the profit and loss summaries, everything. So it provides immense extent of incorporation. Next slide, please. So in the next slide, we have discussed the role of ERP in digital business transformation. ERP can contribute in the digital business transformation through availability of extensions. So social platform and analytic tools can be possible by the use of several extension. It enlarges the functionality range of business and corporation system and unleashes the impending of ERP through which the organization achieve digital business transformation. Assume that a company has purchase or open a new subsidiary in a different country. So it will be easy with the ERP, so they can or just only add an extension of different subsidiaries. Suppose and company of USA has opened a subsidiary in India, so they can just add a Indian extension in the their ERP software. The next is enhanced scalability. So the organization uh, can improve enhance the meaning of enhanced capability is that it can perform uh, many operations and function at the same time. The business corporation has only a need to upgrade the ERP software to remain competitive with scalable ERP. It can handle several business tasks in a business corporation, respective of its size. Next slide, please. So here I discuss about the case study of LG Electronics. We know that LG Electronics is known as a global giant organization. It has a very big organization, more than 82,000 employees and more than 100 subsidiaries across 40 countries. So at the starting, LG Electronics has implemented ERP systems due to several challenges. They have faced many difficulty in their HR department, their manual process, underutilization process in efficient decision making, lacking transparency on local controls, or high maintenance cost. So next slide, please. So these are the big challenges for LG Electronics. The main challenges are the exposure of local specific system. As we know that every country has different the product demands. They have operating on different voltages or different specifications. So it will be very hard for a company to operate in different countries without these specific knowledge. So the next is the efficiency of resource consumption. Every area or every country has their different resources. And next is absence of room for sharing of information. No room was present for the sharing of best practices and information. Like if we have to train them or share the knowledge with them or upgrading any features or product, there will be no best platform or social platform how they can discuss or train their employees. Presence of inadequate localized resources. Uh, it will be very hard to provide training at the localized level from a main branches like it will be very hard from USA to train people in India or something like that. So ERP is the best solution for this one. The next is implementation of ERP system in LG Electronics. The familiarity of LG Electronics with the Oracle technology enabled it to finalize the solution for all the challenges. It offered a centralized control and assessment at several modules according to requirement of company. It has easy scalability, flawless relocation of old data, and hosting of large data. LG appointed a Oracle consulting expert for the formation of exclusive centralized system that incorporates with existing Oracle HR modules for consistent uses of global level. Thus, the company has replaced the dependency of local specific systems. Next slide, please. Benefits in LG Electronics from ERP system. Due to implementation of ERP in LG Electronics, there are the benefits that achieved by company. The first one is centrally supervised listing system. Centrally supervised distinction with the least cost on maintenance, where they have to pay less amount of to maintain the services. Attainment of transparency in the appraisal process of employees and recruitment that engage in hiring and performance on the basis of proven performances and right competences. Every like we have company has choose the right employee for right job. There is no partiality or in the examination process in the employee section. And the next is attainment of learning facilities for frequent business tasks through online tutorials and sharing of documents and resulted in saving of cost and time. So we can train online our employees on different countries and sharing information how they can improve the sales or uh, product efficiency through the ERP system, online ERP system. And next part was explaining by my team member Harsha.
The next thing is the implementation of ERP in the business corporation. As we know that the ERP is a big company and the scope of ERP frequently imposes in the momentous changes in the practices and processes of the staff working. As we all know that the big project takes the larger employees as and the larger time of period to complete that one. Like 14 months will take for the larger project and 150 consultant will be to complete that project at a particular time period. So the system of modular ERP can be executed in different steps so that many small projects can be covered within the month or within the weeks as well. Now the best practices of ERP system. The most ERP system is integrated with best practices to provide for the vendors so it can be easily accessed from their and they can access in worldwide over the world. ERP helps the business in the attainment of de facto industry standards. The de facto standard industry standard is a software that is very helpful in the ERP system to maintain the business policies and their rule and regulation to maintain up to date with the time to time. Now moving to the benefits of for the business. The business ERP generates a more agile business corporation with the coalition better changes in the businesses. It also make an organization less rigidly structured and also used for enhanced business and operate more cohesively. ERP improve the security of data in a closed environment so that the confidentiality and confidentiality will be maintained for every business with time to time, so no one hacker will be hacked their data from their database. The most significant benefit of ERP for digital business transformation is to delivery of integrated system. As we all know that ERP is a digital business transformation that can be used for the e-fees transformation from one country to another country. That is the big change in the ERP. Now, connectivity of the ERP with the plant floor uh, information. ERP system is connected with the plant floor information in three ways. First one is direct integration. The direct integration is that when a company or business will provide all their data to their vendors so that they can be access all the plant floor information at quite one place. Second one is the database integration. In database integration, the tables will be formed in the database in the background so that their particular things will be maintained in their tables and user can easily find in when they can access their information. Second one is the customer integration solutions. The customer integration solution is that when the customer will face any problem, so that the maintenance team will provide them the good solution to up to date and access the data easily. Resource planning of two-tier enterprise system. The hardware and software two-tier enterprise system enables the business corporation to run two equivalent ERP system at a one time. The first, as I am discussing about the two-tier in two parts. The first part of two-tier is that when there is the finance and the common or relative work will be maintained, and in the second tier will be that one where the remote location will be or regional distribution of business process are operating continuously by usage of the ERP system. That is the two parts of two-tier enterprise system. Now moving to the conclusion. The solution of enterprise resource planning are be great for digital transformation of the business. The successful implementation will be done when it will be considered carefully and the data will be provided to their vendors and the customer as well will time to time. Thank you.